see that there was somebody out there taking care of the veterans, trying to get them back into a regular life. The whole process was smooth as silk. Megan was outstanding. She was always there if I needed any help, had any questions, any guidance. I really appreciated when you called me the day before the interview on site. You gave me some pointers and I used them. And honestly, I used it for other interviews I had. I really feel that it helped. It was really a great way to seal the deal and say, okay, I'm interested and I cover everything you wanted to hear. And whenever I used that, the person was very receptive and seemed actually surprised that I would come back and say that, And I'll tell you, for the final position that I accepted, they asked me, well, do you have any other questions? And I told them the only question I have is, when do you look at making a decision? And the two gentlemen I was talking with kind of looked side-eyed at each other and kind of grinned, and very soon, don't we?
Yeah.
That afternoon, they called me and said they were going to make